So have you got the syllabus for half yearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We have discussed that
Yes, sir.
syllabus also in the previous class on Monday, or not? Have we discussed or not?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So whoever is having that syllabus on hand can read how many lessons are there, how much of that is completed, and how much is remaining. Let us have a quick look of that so that we can decide what to do next.
Sir, may I?
Yes, yes, anyone. Who is this? Sakshi. Yes, Rita.
In first flight, first letter to God,
Just
Nelson
a minute.
Mandela, a long walk to
Beta,
freedom.
slowly. First is letter to God. Now my question to
Yes, sir.
class. Is this done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we
Okay.
completed.
Okay. Fine. Second is
Nelson Mandela, a long walk to freedom.
freedom. Is this done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Two tales about flying.
two tales about flying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Two stories about flying,
Yes,
something like
sir.
that. है ना? While writing the name, I thought whether it is two tales or it is two stories.
Stories.
Whatever. I wrote two tales. Okay. So is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Okay.
Yes, sir.
And next, beta.
From the diary of Anne Frank.
From the diary of Anne Frank. This is also done as far as I
Yes, sir.
remember.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. What next?
The 100 Dresses Part 1 and 100 Dresses Part 2.
Have we done both parts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What next?
Poetry, a tiger in a zoo, the ball pan,
Is it done?
the ball poem,
Yes, sir.
Amanda,
Yes, sir.
Three poems? I think there are four
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Animals.
animals were also there.
animals. So are these four poems done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
yes,
Next. Next.
reading comprehension passage,
Okay.
writing formal letter and paragraph writing.
Formal letter and paragraph writing. This paragraph writing is analytical paragraph. So I'll tell you what is analytical paragraph. Okay. Then what next?
Grammar, integrated grammar exercise, editing, omissions, gap filling, jumble sentences.
Okay. Okay, beta. Then that's it.
Yes, sir. That's it.
And what about that other book?
Footprints without feet. It's not mentioned in the syllabus.
Is it not mentioned?
Yes, sir.
No, I wrote and sent. Is it not mentioned?
No, sir.
No,
sir,
sir, it's not mentioned.
It's not mentioned.
Is it a typed syllabus or handwritten syllabus?
Typed syllabus.
Type syllabus.
Type.
Typed one. I'll check it once again. Even if it is not there, because the whole class is right here in front of me. So can we come to a common decision? Even if it is not there, can we include one or two stories from supplementary reader also?
Yes, sir.
What is the harm?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes,
No,
sir, no
but
problem.
yes, no. I want why from every single student. There are 60 in the class right now. If there is any problem with anybody because it has not been mentioned, so no problem. We can drop. We have enough other things. We have enough other things. If everybody says yes, then we can come to a consensus whether to take it or not, and if to take how many. We'll decide here in the class. All have written by. Very good. No one has problem. So if you are all agreeing to this, then instead of taking 3, 4, I'll give you a discount. Let us take 2. Do you agree for 2? First and second?
Yes,
Whatever it
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
first.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Yes, sir.
2 yes. Okay. So let us conclude that we'll include first and second in supplementary reader also. And now at this point of time, I would like to mention one more thing. Actually, 60 students have not written why, but I will consider that all 60 have written. 45 I can see. Out of 45, 5 had another messages. Srishti has written it twice. Eklavya is happy with discount. Actually, we are fond of discounts, isn't it? If I directly say I'll ask 9 lessons, you will be angry. Instead, if I say I'll ask 10 lessons, and then I say, okay, I'm giving you a discount of 1, and I'll reduce it to 9, then you will be happy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so fine. 2 lessons, we have come to a conclusion that from supplementary reader may be included. I'll let you know very soon. Very soon means in the next class, before that. Okay. Now at this point of time, there is one more thing important to mention, because you are the new class where all the experiments are done. You are the subjects of experiment, right? You are the luckiest ones. How experiments are done on your class? When you were in class 9th, a new workbook was introduced. And for that workbook, because in the very first curriculum syllabus that we received from CBSE, it was not mentioned, and then later on it was mentioned. So there was a long confusion for a long time, and then finally we came to know that yes, it is required, and then you all bought the book, and we continued with that. This has happened because earlier I was teaching your section, one section or probably both, in the first earlier part of the session last year.
Both the sections.
Okay. I was teaching both sections, and in earlier part of the session only for some time I taught, and that was the time when we had to decide about words and expressions part 1. This year again, as I said, words and expression part 2 will definitely be there, but we are not authorized to say till it is published in the syllabus by CBSE. In the beginning of the session, this was the issue. I told the bookseller also that it will be there, but we are not in a position to declare. Now, because I have seen this in the curriculum, many of you would have seen the what do they call it, revised curriculum for 2021. Have you seen that? Has anyone seen the revised curriculum for 2021? I'll share it today. I'll share it today on WhatsApp. Go through it. Okay, go through it. So in that, the list of deleted lessons, the list of deleted topics of grammar, the list of deleted things in writing section, everything is there. And the new pattern of question paper, what kind of questions will be asked, how many marks does every question carry, all that is mentioned in that syllabus. Along with that, prescribed books. There are 3 books mentioned. One is second is third is also that is words and expression part 2. Now because it is there, so I can with the CBSE authority say, or with confidence I can say that now you need to have it. Okay, have you understood?
Yes.
The same workbook part, words and expressions part 2, that is there in your syllabus, which was not, because earlier when we were trying to have the book list and everything, at that time it wasn't there in that. Now they have included, so we have to buy. Yes, of course you have to. Someone is already having, Shivam. Good. Those who are already having, very nice. Those who are not may get it, may request their booksellers, whoever is in your approach, to get it. It is required now. Okay? And as soon as you have it, we shall start doing that. It is already there. Now one more question. How many of you have already downloaded Diksha app? Yes, I will give.
Me, sir.
Saurabh, I will give soft copy if I get. Definitely, I will give. Okay, many students have Diksha app. Good. I'm sharing my screen. Good, beta. Good. Very nice. I'm happy that most of you have. In Diksha app, it is there. In Diksha app, this book, Word and Expression, is also there. I'm sharing my screen and I'll show you. Is it shared?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is shared, just let me know what can you see.
The
Diksha
Diksha is open.
Diksha.
This is, yes. Okay. Now, English medium class, you are in class 10th.
सर
Yes.
सर आपने ग्रुप में जो लिंक भेजी थी फर्स्ट फ्लाइट की उसको खोलने के बाद
हाँ।
मींस खुलेगा कैसे? वो वीडियोस पे क्लिक करना पड़ेगा?
उसमें वीडियोस भी हैं बेटा, वर्कशीट्स भी हैं। देखो मैं आपको ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ही दे देता हूँ ना। आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है ना दीक्षा ऐप का पेज?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मैंने 10th क्लास खोल दी है। ठीक है, 10th क्लास में हम आ जाते हैं इंग्लिश पे। ये इंग्लिश दिख रहा है? कैन यू सी इंग्लिश हियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
There are 12 things। उसमें हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? न्यू फर्स्ट फ्लाइट, इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक, न्यू फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट इंग्लिश, न्यू वर्ड्स एंड एक्सप्रेशंस पार्ट 2। उसके बाद फिर यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है, देखो, है ना? ये काफी सारी चीजें हैं यहाँ पे। तो आप सारे जब एक्सप्लोर करोगे आपको बहुत कुछ मिलेगा। तो मैं आपको क्या बता रहा था, ये वर्ड्स एंड एक्सप्रेशंस। ठीक है, फिर मैं आऊंगा स्नेहा के क्वेश्चन पे कि फर्स्ट फ्लाइट में क्या करना है ना? ये मैं वर्ड्स एंड एक्सप्रेशंस ओपन कर रहा हूं। That's loading your content. Let me make it full screen. Is the page opened on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the first page, unit 1. Okay, that's there. That's it. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just one chapter, a letter to God, या फिर the whole book?
this was unit 1. If you open unit 2, second unit will be seen. Okay, everything is there. Actually, we are coming back. I'm just From here you can download it also. Can you see this download mark?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can download it also from there. देखो बेटा, on my right, on the right of the screen, can you see this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Letter to God we have already opened. It is appearing here. Now see. This is another thing, learning resources. What is this? I have also not seen it. Let us see what is given in this. Story may have moved you. Here is the summary of the events of the story, but they are not. What is this? How can I open that? Acha, here it is. Read the story again and rearrange the events of the story in order. See what a good, beautiful exercise here. Now, according to you, without reading, I'm just randomly clicking somewhere. Let me click here. How does it go upwards? Yes, like this.
Sir, what is the
I
question?
put it here. Beta, this, see, question is, let me explain. These are some statements given here. This is the story, summary of the story. But the sentences are jumbled. Means, this may not be first statement. This may be first, this may be first, this may be second, this may be third, like this. So you have to reorder it, that what happened first. Chalo, let us see. The postmaster was able to collect 70 pesos only, put it in an envelope with signature God and sent it to Lencho. Now this line, and read this line. Lencho was upset and disheartened, but had total belief and unwavering faith in the God. Decided to write a letter to God explaining his situation and asking for help. Now, which of these two things happened first?
The above one.
Second
one.
last.
Yes.
Above one.
Yes. He was confident that his harvest was going to yield him huge profits, just like it does every year. He went to the post office and
First.
posted his letter addressed to God. Now, out of last four, just for an example, we are not doing entire exercise. Out of these last four statements, what happened first?
Third
The
last.
second one.
The third
Second
last
one.
statement.
Third last.
Yeah, this one.
Yes, the third last.
Out of these four,
Hmm.
this one, he was confident. Okay, he was confident. Then
First one.
Then third
The
one.
post.
then Lenche was upset and disheartened, but had total belief. Yes, this one.
Yes,
He
sir.
decided to write. Then he wrote. Got
Then
it?
first
So
one,
in
then
this
fourth
way,
one.
this entire story has been jumbled. Okay. Now you have to arrange this, and how to arrange? Pick one statement and put it wherever you feel it is suitable. Suppose you feel it's suitable here, you can place it here. So it has been placed by me. In this way, if you place all 12, at last you can check. So both that I put here were wrong. Got it? This is how you can do this exercise. I hope you understood. I was just giving a demonstration without reading.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
these are the two things given here. One is textbook, another one is learning resource. Similarly, for other chapters, other units also, if you click here, you get e-textbook and learning resource. So when Saurabh was asking me to share the soft copy, I will share, but it is not needed now. Saurabh, do you still need it?
No, sir.
If you have this Diksha app with you, you can open everything. Means this e-textbook is there already, as you can see, for Letter to God, for another lesson, this one. Okay, this is the second unit, and if I click here, the textbook page will be visible over here. It takes little time to upload depending on the internet speed. And good part is, once it opens, you can download it also. Shall I show you downloaded one? See, if you click on this arrow, this down arrow, which is used everywhere for downloading mark, this is the unit. So you can do it directly from screen also. If you click here, it downloads. Can you see it is downloading here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once it is downloaded, if you open it, let us see what shows. लो, आ गया?
Yes, sir.
हो गया काम आपका?
Yes, sir.
सरदार पटेल भी आ गए.
Yes, sir.
सरदार पटेल भी आ गए. ठीक है. अब आप इसका प्रिंट आउट भी ले सकते हो यहाँ से. दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पे आइकन प्रिंटर का?
Yes.
So those who are not able to get the hard copy of textbook, those who are not able to purchase it, can do it like this. I hope it will help you. Now coming back. अरे कहाँ गया ये इंग्लिश? Now we have come to first flight. When you open, you can see at your right hand side on the screen a letter to God, dust of snow, fire and ice. A letter to God chapter is explained here, means that soft copy of the lesson is given here, textbook page. You call it e-textbook. Then explanation content. There are two things given in explanation content. Then there is practice items. Very short answer, long answer, multiple choice. Very short answer, long answer, multiple choice. Can you see all this here?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
Yes.
you have a lot of content here. If you open that, what should I open? Multiple choice or explanation content?
Multiple choice.
Multiple choice.
Explanation content, there is a beautiful video I have already downloaded just to check whether it downloads or not. So I have downloaded and it is working. It was 100 MB video and I successfully downloaded. So you can also open this explanation content and you can download it for your use even when you are offline. You can directly watch it online, and if you need, you can save it and watch it offline whenever you feel like watching. So it's a good thing, good platform, and I hope I have given a very good demonstration on your screen. Okay. Now there is little need of a demonstration of this exercise. Let us see what is there in this multiple choice. Chalo, this is KBC. What is this mic for? So he wrote dash on the envelope and put the letter into the mailbox? A, B, C, D.
To God.
To God. A.
Okay.
Option
So I have clicked on it. I have clicked on it. Happy?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What was Lencho's occupation?
Farmer.
Being farmer.
For Lencho, there was a single hope, help from
God.
Lencho's fields needed dash for a good harvest.
Rain.
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 What does Lencho call the post office employees?
A bunch of
A bunch of crew.
Option C.
tree.
A bunch of
Option
crew.
C. Yes.
So that's it. You got 5 on 5. Entire class is very good. So enough demonstration given. Everything nicely understood by everyone, I hope.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So may I close it now?
Yes, sir.
I would like to see one more thing. If there is something more given about grammar. Footprints, words and expressions. Words and expressions. Creative and critical thinking practice. No. Nothing separately given for grammar as such. No problem. We have other sources also. मजा आया?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो अब आप जिन लोगों ने डाउनलोड किया, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बताया that they've already downloaded and installed. Those who have not may do that. The thing is, I was doing it on the big screen. And if you download this app in your mobile phone, then you will be doing it on a smaller screen. But on a smaller screen also, the explanation videos can be watched and the multiple choice questions can be done. The issue is when you open the lesson, when you open the chapter, then to read that chapter or to do the reading section exercise, that reading comprehension, because it is there. Last year also I told one thing. Now I remember that I started words and expression in both the sections, and the assignment that I gave, and I insisted on everybody on solving the reading comprehension exercise at the priority basis. Do you remember that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
But we haven't discussed that. So,
Huh?
sir, we have done, but we have not discussed with you.
What?
So we were not knowing that we have done correct or not.
Okay. That is one thing. That is one thing. That it was all done by you, and then I discontinued teaching your section, both the sections. But I was happy that by the time I was there, you were able to start doing, or perhaps you had finished some 8-9 units.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
reading,
Yes,
as
sir.
far as the part was concerned, this was, and first few were discussed also in the class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First few were discussed also.
Yes, sir.
I remember in 9th class. Okay, so I think that was enough. Why that was enough? I wanted to give you a practice of reading, trying to understand, trying to comprehend. Okay, try to interpret the questions that are given, asked, and then try to answer them in your own language, in your own words. This was something that I wanted you to develop in yourselves. Okay, Once again, it has been given here, and I'll be very happy if you start doing it at your own level. Whenever time permits, whenever time allows, whenever circumstances allow, we'll go for better discussion of these reading comprehension passages that are given. But at least, instead of waiting for that opportunity or those such circumstances, I'll be more happy if you start doing it. Okay, and as and when opportunity comes or time allows, here in the online class also we can have a little discussion. We can share our problems or any confusions if we have, and we'll, with mutual discussion, we'll try to solve those confusions. So that will be a very good exercise. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So two things I told. One thing is we have discussed about the syllabus of half yearly, that whatever is there, most of that is done. A little bit of writing section needs to be discussed. There are two things. One is formal letter, and the second one is analytical paragraph, analytical passage writing. Okay. So now, because we are left with only 2 minutes, so let me give a quick introduction of analytical passage. Letter writing, you know. Okay, we'll have a little practice before examination once or twice. And analytical practice, we need at least 2 periods for that. Okay. So what is that? Have you seen graphs sometimes somewhere? Statistical graphs, statistical analysis.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
call them histograms. Sometimes on news channels also you see. You would have seen that sometimes
Share market.
they show a graph about the corona infected people.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
India this much,
Yes, sir.
Russia this much, USA this much, Brazil this much, Italy this much, these countries, that in that way. Sometimes they show a graph or a pie chart showing that in first 3 months this was the rate, in next 3 months this next 1 month it was the rate, in next 15 days this was the rate. In this way they show some charts. So you would have seen histograms, you would have seen pie charts, you would have seen other grams, you would have seen some that slanted slopes on the graph. Have you seen such kind of things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this was just an example, but when such illustrations are shown, when such illustrations are given, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to see to it and analyze it. And when you analyze, you come to some conclusion that this was the rate in the beginning, this was the rate later on, this was the rate finally, and during this season this was the rate, during that season this was the rate, in this particular region this was the rate, in that particular region this was the rate, in rural area this was the rate, in urban area this was the rate, in older people this was the rate, in younger people this was the rate. Are you getting it? So how do you get all this data? When some statistical illustration representation is shown to you, you look at it and you interpret it. What do we call it? Data interpretation. Have you heard this term before? Yes or no? Somebody has asked a question. Sneha, why are you telling this? Hey Bhagwan. Sneha is asking, why am I telling this? I don't understand why is she asking this. Sneha? कहाँ गई वो पूछ के?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो क्या पूछ रही हो तुम?
Sir, I'm asking this topic is related to what?
When I started talking about this thing, I told this topic is related to what? Do others know why I am talking about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others know?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. I'm talking about writing section. There are two things in writing section. One is formal letter and one is analytical passage writing, analytical paragraph writing. Okay. So I was talking about that paragraph writing. Now, what is analytical paragraph? I'm explaining this.
Okay.
So have you understood data interpretation?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes, sir.
now after having seen one such graph or an illustration or a picture, you analyze that and you write about it in a paragraph or two, in 120 words, what you understood from that and what you concluded. This is called analytical paragraph writing. Am I clear now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sneha,
Yes,
I was telling all this for this reason. मैं वो जो पूरा
Okay,
समझा रहा
sir.
था ना, ग्राफ को इंटरप्रेट करना है, ठीक है, कोई भी इलस्ट्रेशन है आपके सामने, उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन आप अपने तरीके से करेंगे, फिर आप उसको भाई एनालाइज कर रहे हो ना, आपकी क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, है ना, वो पूरा आप एनालाइज करके और फिर आप एक पैराग्राफ लिखते हो. दिस कैन बी अबाउट वन कंडीशन, सिचुएशन, दिस कैन बी अबाउट वन प्लेस, दिस कैन बी अबाउट वन पर्सन इवन. One person even, है ना. I may ask you to research and find out the effectiveness of online classes among students. तो आप किस पॉइंट पे रिसर्च करोगे? आप ये देखोगे कि when online classes started at that time, when some time passed at that time, when government has decided that no classes till September at that time. ठीक है. Second thing, अर्बन एरियाज में क्या स्टेटस है, रूरल एरियाज में क्या स्टेटस है. फिर आप ये देखोगे कहाँ पे इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी की जो अवेलेबिलिटी है वो. फिर आप देखोगे भाई some children, those who have all these facilities available, there are some who do not have. फिर आप ये देखोगे कि क्लासेस seniority wise, the elementary classes, first of all the basic smaller classes, उनमें कैसा रिस्पॉन्स है, उनमें क्या इफेक्टिवनेस है, मिडिल सेक्शन में क्या इफेक्टिवनेस है, सेकेंडरी में क्या इफेक्टिवनेस है, सीनियर सेकेंडरी में क्या इफेक्ट, सब जगह अलग अलग आएगा ना, एरिया वाइज, रीजन वाइज, अवेलेबिलिटी वाइज, क्लास वाइज, एज वाइज, है ना, सब जगह अलग अलग है. अब ये सारा कुछ जब आप रिसर्च करके व्हेन यू पुट इट एट वन प्लेस और फिर आप अपना एक कंक्लूडिंग पैराग्राफ लिखोगे तो वो क्या होगा? दैट विल बी एन एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ. जब आप उसको पूरा अच्छे से ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट कर पाओगे तो कोई इमेज हो सकती है, कोई पिक्चर हो सकती है, कोई पर्सन हो सकता है, कोई रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो सकता है, कोई इलस्ट्रेशन हो सकता है, वो आपको अगर मिला है, आपको उसको एनालाइज करके अगर एक पैराग्राफ लिखने को दिया जाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ. आई होप आई हैव गिवन quite an okay introduction to this.
Yes, sir.
Was it an okay introduction?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not very good. In details, we'll talk in the next class. Okay. And one video about tenses was shared in the previous class. I believe everybody would have watched.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वो वीडियो देखने के बाद पूरा समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
गुड. कोई डाउट हो तो आप मुझे बाद में पूछ लेना, आज का तो टाइम हमने निकाल दिया. ठीक है. सो शैल आई स्टॉप इट हियर? अरे आई डिड नॉट टेक अटेंडेंस, लेट मी जस्ट, यस आई कैन सेव. ओके. नाउ Sairam, you can leave the class.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam, sir, thank you, sir.
Sairam, sir. Thank you.
Sairam, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sairam, everyone.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam beta.
Sairam sir, thank you sir.
Sai Ram.